Hi there! Today we're going to walk you through how to configure the late mark and tardiness policy in your system. Whether you want to use the default policy or customize it to fit your company's needs, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. When you first open the late mark and tardiness policy section, you'll see a question asking, do you have a late mark tardiness policy? Would you like to use the default or configure the same? This is where you decide how to handle employees who report to work late. Let's explore your options. If you want to keep things simple, you can choose Yes, Use Default Policy. This option retains the predefined late mark policy, which is a great starting point if you don't need any customizations. Just click this option and you're good to go. Now, if you want to tailor the policy to your company's guidelines, select No, Configure Late Marks Tardiness Policy. This opens up a range of options to make the policy work just right for your organization. First, you'll decide if certain users should be excluded from the policy. This is perfect for creating exceptions. Maybe some roles or individuals shouldn't fall under the tardiness rules. Just specify who they are, and the system will ensure they're not affected. Next, you can choose whether to notify the immediate reporting manager when their team members have late marks. If you set this to Yes, managers will get alerts about tardiness in their team. This helps them stay on top of things and manage proactively. Now, let's talk about leave deductions. Here, you'll set how many leaves are deducted for late marks. For example, you might decide that 0.5 leave is deducted for each late mark. You can also define how many late marks trigger the deduction, say 3 late marks in a month. Once that threshold is hit, the system will automatically deduct the specified leave. To make the policy even more specific, you can choose which user groups the leave deduction rules apply to. Maybe you only want this rule for certain departments or roles. Just select the groups you want, and the policy will only affect them. Don't forget to define the leave type to be deducted. For example, you might choose casual leave so that the correct leave type is impacted when the rule is enforced. Finally, you'll decide whether the leave deduction should apply on holidays. If you choose Yes, the system will account for tardiness even on holidays. But if you select No, leave deductions won't apply if an employee is late on a holiday. This flexibility lets you tailor the policy to your organization's unique needs. Once you've finalized all the settings, click Confirm and proceed. And that's it. Your late mark policy is all set up. Before you go, a quick reminder, make sure to consult with your stakeholders or team leads to ensure your attendance rules align with your organization's objectives. And don't forget, click Next to move on to the next setup process. Thanks for watching and happy configuring!